Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for your discount. This is a Nissin mini Donbei, and I don't know exactly which kind it is. It's a thinner noodle. I'm gonna guess it's like a shrimp something, but we will find out. I will see if I can discern what it is. And here we are. There's not a lot going on here. It's basically like a cup noodle when it comes right down to it, but it's not. It's a mini bowl. Look at the tiny little bowl. Oh, look, oh, so cute. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna put in, I keep thinking maybe this is shrimp, but I'm not sure. But we will find out shortly. So we got that going in. As I mentioned, it's a thin noodle. I think you can probably see how thin that is. It's very thin. Add boiling water to the line. Right up to there. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And there we go. You want to see something weird? Of course you do. Let's try to push this down a little. Wow, this is very quick stuff. Very quickly, mostly hydrated. Check this out. This is called Kong Easy Treat Liver Recipe Stuff to Expand Playtime. So they got these toys called Kongs, and it kind of looks just like a red-butted bee thorax or something, right? But it's liver flavored cheese you put in it for dogs, and you stuff treats in there too, and it kind of gets hard and funky, and dogs enjoy that. Oh, my dog kind of enjoys that, but I don't think I'd enjoy it. It doesn't sound all that great, but you never know. My wife used to work at a place in California called Pet Food Express, where she tried pretty much all the different dog treats that they had there. It's like everybody did. What was the thing that she tried, and then I ended up trying it too? It was called Bitter Yuck. And it's like you spray a little bit on things that your dog just won't leave alone, and it licks it, and it's like the most vile flavor you could imagine. She did it. That was kind of like a rite of initiation for people who work there, it sounded like. It was like, oh, you tried the Bitter Yuck yet? I mean, it doesn't hurt you. It just tastes vile. And I was down there, and she told me about it, and it was like one of the first times we'd been together, and I was like, well, okay, I'm game. I'll give it a try. So I just tried the tiniest bit, and it was just like, it tasted like the smell of burning plastic times 1 million. I mean, it was so, I'm surprised that, you got all the people that do the spicy pepper challenges. They should do more. They should do these Bitter Yuck challenges, because wow. There's also one called Bitter Apple that tastes just like moldy apple, and I hear it's pretty burly. Yeah. Alright. Give it a little stir while it steeps. I have no idea yet. Really no idea. It looks kind of nice. And I have a little bowl. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, sleepyhead over there. Sleepy dog. That's one thing we're trying to get across to our kids, too. Let sleeping dogs lie. There. Alright, so here is our minuscule bowl of noodles. Suppose I need a pair of scissors. And there's a pair of scissors right here. Daddy's coming home. Yeah. If you've never seen the movie Blue Velvet, you really oughta. It's really jacked up. Dennis Hopper's the man, or was the man? Didn't he die? I think Dennis Hopper died. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to grab Mr. Frog. I don't know. I'm gonna wait till this dog over here gets a little bit older before I bring Mr. Frog out again. I don't want her to get any interest in my beloved puppet. Oh, it's like lemon chiffon. It smells like lemon, so I'm guessing it's a yuzu something cup. Yeah, it's tiny. I mean, look at the size of this fork. And this is a dinner fork, mind you. It's a high octane fork. There's the noodle. Very thin. Maybe Hakata? Well, not bad. Let's try a new spoon. If I have one. Uh-oh. I'll use this one. This is old school. I got this from the company. Check that out. It's a Nissin bowl noodle spoon, chicken flavor. They gave me bowl noodle spoons of like every single flavor too. Still have tons of them. But usually my regular soup spoons are just fine. But the idea is you have noodles on that part and then you have broth in the middle. But there is our broth. Shrimp. Maybe like a shrimp. I don't know. Now I'm starting to feel kind of like unsure about the yuzu thing. I don't know. It's not bad. I will say that. I'm not wincing in pain from trying this. Is this bowl the right size? This almost seems like way overkill. Yeah. Yeah, that'll work. We'll do that. I'm hoping I can get out and do a non-dog walk today. The weather's nice. I'll give it that. It is nice weather. Not too hot, but it's sunny. Throw in one of these. But yeah, we still haven't hammered out the whole dog barking thing yet. A couple times on our walk today, people would go by and she just kind of chilled out. She, you know, I tried to get her to understand, you're safe. They're not going to do anything. Nothing to worry about. It's all good. And she seemed to get that. In some situations. In others, she was like, oh, no, I'm going to bark my ass off. But generally, she was pretty... She's got a long way to go. Let me just put it this way. She's got a long way to go, but I think she's starting to get certain things. The one thing that I really can't wait till she figures out is walk on the right side of me. Because that, oh man, my shoulders hurt so bad from just constantly like pulling her back from being directly in front of me and going, heel, you know. And I don't think that makes for such an extremely fun walk for her, but it's like once she gets it, it'll be like nothing else. And I plan on doing a ton of walking with her on the Burt Gilman Trail, and that's going to be like absolutely key to the ability to do that, because there's people riding their bikes like bats out of hells on the trail. So I don't, I'm not a big fan of making my pets learn things the hard way. So anyway, a little shichimi negi, norotomaki, mungus bean sprouts, some chashu, and yeah, sesame seeds. Oh. I believe that's my wife saying I'm on my way home. It's like, but I'm still cooking. You can't come home yet. Yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching. I got one more to go today, and you might be like, you haven't tried that? I was like, well, it's been forever. This is Marushan Yakisoba Teriyaki Beef. It's a tray. It's a domestic U.S. variety. I'm still trying to pull stuff together for a special Meet the Manufacturer series for Marushan. I don't know. It's difficult because the communication is really tricky, and it takes 6 months to get an answer to a single question, so we'll see how it goes. But at some point, I'll just crank out 15 days worth of Marushan products, slap their interview at the beginning, and call it good. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you absolute unmitigated enjoyment of your noodles each and every day to the fullest extent of the law. Have a good one, and bye-bye.